Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to put together a quick little beat, get a few breaks together and just chop them up and mash them up. Today I'm using the sounds from 100 Fat Jungle Beats, and yeah, check it out. So we've got a few little naughty beats here and stuff. Start probably the assembly line, get that there, put it in renoise, cut it up. Let's get that, put that there, slice him up. Cut that up like so. There we go. Boom. Get rid of that. Sorry, mate. Right. There you go. Set my tempo. And I program my little beat in there. And what I'm going to do is just basically put all the cuts in one by one. And then just play a little loop from the top. Okay, so this needs to be popped here like that. Move it up a bit. Let's bring that up here. Nice. And then another one. Get rid of that click, man. We don't need a metronome on. Okay, that needs to go there. Lovely jubbly. Pop in there. Program him up. Nice. It's a little pop there, but I'll sort that out later. Let me see how it sounds on just a one loop. I just want a one loop. Okay, so that is too quick. Chuck him down there. Bring him up one. Nice. That's it, sounding good. And then I can just loop that over now, create a beat with that. Right, running out of disk space. That's not good. So there you go, that's kind of looped up, right? Let's get a little beat going there now. Also, I'm going to do a little bit, take one piece from one break. Right, check this out. I'll get that, grab it. Some random stuff now. Kid and play break. Right, let's see what we got here. Boom. Layer that with a kick. And I'm going to copy that break with that. There's lots of stuff you could do here. These are nice clean breaks as well. Layering up them breaks. So I'm going to flick through some of the breaks. You can hear what's on there. Lovely fat Apache. Look at that. These are from some decent sources. Chop that up again. Sweet. Pop there, man. Don't want that pop. I like that snare, man. That snare's heavy. And I could loop that over. I could create another break with that, layering up. That's easy to create new breaks from old breaks. Wicked. Look at that. And then pop that there. Bosh. I found the key for this, page down, I think it is. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. Got stacks of brakes on there, people. Stacks of brakes. Check this out. It's one of my favourites, this one. Hard noise. Bad boy brake. Proper fat brake there as well. Oh, I love this brake, man. That snare, man. You could grab this little snare out of that. Right, even that now. Little reverb on it. Right, let's get the old reverb. No, this is going to be a box standard reverb. Nice. Gonna splice him up. Nice, nice, nice. Program the beat there. Bit of compression, whatever. Now look, look, look. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Wicked. EQ.